Imagine this. Tomorrow in your office, your manager suddenly asks, "Can someone quickly figure this out using AI?" And suddenly, everyone looks at you. Not because you're an AI expert, not because you studied machine learning, but because somehow you know how to use it better than everyone else in the room. In that moment, it almost feels like you just won a small career lottery. One opportunity, one moment, and suddenly you become the most valuable person in that meeting. But here's the interesting part. This doesn't happen because someone learned 20 AI tools. It happens because they follow 3 simple habits most people ignore. And the strange thing is, right now, many employees are either afraid of AI or simply waiting for opportunities to appear. But the people who benefit from AI the most are doing something very different. Let's talk about those 3 practical hacks. First, let's understand something important. Most people think the future belongs to people who know AI tools. But that's not exactly true. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI intelligently. And that starts with the first hack. Hack 1. Don't ask AI to work for you. Ask it to think with you. Most people use AI like this. Write this email, create a report, summarize this document. Basically, they treat AI like a faster assistant. But the people getting the biggest advantage are doing something different. They use AI like a thinking partner. For example, instead of asking, "Write a presentation," they ask, "What are 3 angles I might be missing in this presentation?" Now suddenly, AI becomes a second brain, not just a typing machine. And that small shift makes your ideas stronger, faster, and clearer. Hack 2. Use AI where people usually struggle. Here's something interesting. Most employees use AI for small tasks, emails, summaries, simple writing. But the biggest advantage comes when you use AI for things people usually avoid. Things like analyzing large information, finding patterns in feedback, brainstorming solutions to messy problems. When you start using AI there, something surprising happens. You begin showing up to meetings with better insights than everyone else. And that's when people start thinking, "How did you figure that out so fast?" Hack 3. Be curious before everyone else. Right now, a lot of people are in waiting mode. They are waiting for company training, official AI policies, someone to tell them what to do. But the people who benefit the most from AI are simply curious earlier. They try small things. They experiment. They explore questions like, "Can AI help me prepare for tomorrow's meeting? Can it help me think through a difficult problem?" These small experiments slowly give you something powerful: confidence. And confidence with new technology is often what separates people who lead change from those who react to it. So here's the real truth about AI. The biggest opportunity is not becoming an AI expert. It's becoming someone who knows how to think with AI. Because sooner or later, a moment will come in your career where someone asks, "Can anyone figure this out quickly using AI?" And when that moment comes, you don't want to be the person who is still waiting. You want to be the person who quietly says, "Yeah, I can take a look." And sometimes that one moment is all it takes to change how people see your value.